Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's good morning for me. I don't know when are you going to watch this video, but I put up this story about ask me any questions that you have about me in January and I forgot to shoot it as usual. So it's March right now and आज अचानक से सुबह मुझे याद आया कि I never shot that video. So let me answer all your questions while I sip on my iced coffee that I made at home. I've already posted the recipe on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, please go follow. And without further ado, let's get started. I actually just went in my archives of that story and I already have all these questions. I am going to answer these questions in no sequence. So yeah, let's get started. First question is very basic. What's my age? I'm actually just going to clear all your basic questions. My age is 25 and a half. I actually turned 26 in July this year. Other than that, I'm actually an electronics engineer by my education. I have completed my education from Nagpur itself. What else? I have two siblings. One brother, one sister. Yeah, I'm lucky that way. That's some basic information that I can give you. So we'll not take these basic information questions now. Let's skip on to some better and newer questions. First question, and this is a very common question. I saw on your LinkedIn that you are an engineer. How did you end up in marketing? So as I mentioned, I'm actually an electronics engineer. I never wanted to do engineering in the first place. I feel like सारे engineers यही बोलते हैं. Majorly सारे engineers यही बोलते हैं, not all. I was very much interested into marketing from the very beginning. Like जब मैंने 12th standard खत्म किया अपने, तभी से मुझे पता था कि I want to do MBA in marketing. But what happened was कि मेरा plan यही था, I'll do engineering, I'll do MBA as soon as I graduate. But COVID happened and so everything went online and मुझे MBA online नहीं करना था. Like I always heard that MBA is such a good experience and you have to have it firsthand. You have to be there on campus. So मैंने CAT के exams दिए. I have actually given CAT thrice in my lifetime and उसमें से एक बार मुझे अच्छा कॉलेज लगा था. I didn't take it. एक बार और लगा था, but that college was not well known for marketing. It was very 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 well known for operations and management and मुझे वो नहीं करना था, so I had to give up. So yeah, मतलब हो नहीं पाया मुझे marketing में जैसे जाना था उस way में. So what I did is I was creating content since I was in college, right? So I had this whole audience of around 10 to 15,000 followers while I was trying to switch into marketing. What I tried is I took this content creation as my portfolio and I started applying to a lot of beauty brands. I was in Pune, I was working at Cognizant. I was placed by campus placement itself and मैंने सोचा कि अब तो हो गया बहुत, मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. अगर मुझे आज कोई पूछेगा तुमने इंजीनियरिंग में क्या पढ़ाई किया, कुछ नहीं. I don't know, like मैंने ऐसे नहीं है कि मैंने पढ़ाई की नहीं है, because I have a pretty good CGPA. मुझे पता है कि मैं आप मुझे जो करने बोलोगे मैं बहुत अच्छे से कर लूंगी, but the fact that मेरा interest नहीं था उसमें. So I started applying to a lot of jobs and somehow everything just fell into place. I think इसके लिए मुझे एक अलग वीडियो बनाना चाहिए because this is a very big part of my career and that's the only reason why I am here right now. So let me know if you want me to make a specific video about my transition from IT to marketing. Next question is, are you dating someone right now? Guys, अगर मैं किसी को डेट कर भी रही होती तो मैं पब्लिक नहीं करूंगी because I believe इंटरनेट पे आजकल इतनी चीजें चल रही होती है and I don't want to be a part of that part of internet right now. और मेरे फैमिली वाले भी इतने ओपन नहीं है किसी चीज को लेके. ओके, सो इवन इफ आई वाज डेटिंग समवन, मैं पब्लिक नहीं करती. आई नीड टू गेट एवरीथिंग इन प्लेस पहले एंड only then you are going to know about anything of my dating life. तो अगर आपको जब पता चलेगा वो तब होगा जब मैं एक्चुअल में अपने एंगेजमेंट के फोटोज डालूंगी. द ओनली वे यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टू नो if I'm dating someone or if I was dating someone or not. Next, do you see yourself getting married soon? I definitely see myself getting married. I don't know about the soon part because sabka soon is very different. Not this year is what I can say at this point. I just know I'm not getting married this year. For sure, I'm not getting married this year. Not 2026. What made you start making content? I think I've already mentioned this in, I think, my first Q&A that nothing, to be honest, just when lockdown happened, I was so bored and this one of my college friends suggested that तू content क्यों नहीं बनाती है, तू तो अच्छी भी दिखती है. This is the actual, like, the message that he sent me कि like तू तो कर लेगी यार, मतलब you have that in you, तो why not try it. And मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था कि what exactly you do in content creation. So no, I had no idea. I never thought about it. मैं actually, मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसे मैं भी start कर सकती हूँ. मतलब जब मैंने content बनाना start किया, कोमल गुड्डन, she is a YouTuber, मैं उन्हें बहुत follow करती थी पहले से. I used to watch her channel. So मुझे कभी realize नहीं हुआ कि मैं भी ऐसा बना सकती हूँ. I just always felt like, ऐसे होता है ना कि हम कोई मे बी टीवी सीरियल देख रहे हैं तो वी नेवर थिंक कि अरे मैं भी तो एक्ट कर सकती हूँ इसमें. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट. तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूब वीडियोस बट आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई ऑल्सो विल बी मेकिंग अ यूट्यूब वीडियो मे बी 3 years or 4 years down the line. Do you ever get hate comments and how do you deal with them? I don't get hate comments. No, I don't think so. I get hate comments. और अगर आ भी जाते हैं ना तो मैं बहुत sarcastically लेती हूँ उनको. मैं उस पर रिप्लाई कर देती हूँ. मेरे से चुप होना नहीं होता. मुझे सब बोलते हैं कि चुप कर ले यार. मतलब why are you actually engaging with all of these people and ignore them? But मुझे मजा आता है. I feel like अगर मुझे वो चीज affect नहीं कर रही है तो फिर I can have fun with it. So why not? तो मुझे तो नहीं आता है जनरली hate comment. मैं इतनी famous नहीं हूँ फिलहाल. But do you want to become a full-time creator someday? I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. I really don't know. मैं भी यही सोचते रहती हूँ बहुत बार. But like I took a break from working full-time after 3.5 years now. I am not working right now. I took a break for 3 months. And मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मुझे बहुत मजा आएगा, जो कि आया. I was able to make a lot of content. I was able to post a lot of content on Instagram. I think मैंने हर दिन post किया है, कभी-कभी हर 2 बार post किया है दिन में. And I love making content. But the fact कि कोई routine नहीं होता है when you are a full-time content creator, that bugs me a lot because मुझे routine चाहिए. अभी मैं bore हो चुकी हूँ. I am starting my new job next week and I need a good routine in my life. So I don't know if I want to be a full-time content creator. I don't have an answer for that right now. What's one thing people assume about you that's completely wrong? I think a lot of people think that I come from a very rich family, which I don't. How do you balance your work and personal life? मैं ना बहुत छुट्टियां ले लेती हूँ सही में. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार आई सॉ दिस रील ऑल्सो वेरी रिसेंटली कि तुम जब तुम्हारा इंक्रीमेंट होगा व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग, ओके, तो हर किसी केस में इंक्रीमेंट होता है. तो जब तुम्हारा इंक्रीमेंट होगा तो तुम अपनी लीव्स नहीं दिखाते देखो हमारे पास इतनी सारी लीव्स बची है. उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. वो तुम्हारा इंक्रीमेंट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. सो मत बचाओ उनको यार. ले लो लीव्स और अपनी जिंदगी जियो. कैजुअल लीव कैजुअली लेने के लिए होती है. अगर लीव्स बचा के रखने वाले हो और तुम्हारा जो पर्सनल लाइफ है वो अफेक्ट हो रहा है उससे, I don't think that's worth it then. Just start living for yourself too. Job is a part of your life. It's not your whole life. और वो मुझे समझने आ गया है. बहुत पहले समझने आ गया था. And so मैं तो वैसे ही रहती हूँ. I actually loved making this video because this was such a chill video. I'm just sipping on my coffee and talking to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.